Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fine at your home. This is your value education period. You all are welcome. Be ready with value education book Instilling Morals. Chapter number 3, Rope of Kindness. My dear students, before starting the chapter, I want to tell you something about value education. So students, values allows you to interact harmoniously with others. Values guide our behavior. They show us how to behave with others, and values guide our actions and determine for us what's good or bad. So our school also keeps it in mind that value education is equally important as well as other subjects like English, Hindi, Maths, etc. So now come to the chapter number 3. In this chapter, we will talk about the kindness. Well, students, do you know what is kindness? Kindness is the act of being nice, helpful and good to someone. Kindness का मतलब है कि किसी के लिए बहुत अच्छे बनना, उसकी मदद करना और उसकी परेशानी या दुख में उसका साथ देना. ऐसा ही कुछ आपकी बुक के इस चैप्टर में बताया गया है. Here is a quote by Dalai Lama. He says, "My religion is very simple. My religion is kindness." Means he says that he follows very simple religion, that is kindness. In this story, a boy, Austin, is there. He has sheep. Daily he takes his sheep for grazing to the fields. What happened there? Now read the story. Austin was a little boy who lived in a village. He used to take his sheep to the fields for grazing. One day a man saw him with the sheep running after him. The man told Austin that no wonder the sheep followed him so closely because he had held one end of the rope and the other end was tied round the sheep's neck. Means when Austin was going with his sheep, a man was watching all the scene. He said, "There is nothing new that your sheep is following you, because there is one end of the rope is in your hand and another is around her neck." Means उस मैन ने बोला कि इसमें कोई अजीब बात नहीं है कि तुमने एक रस्सी का एक सिरा अपने हाथ में पकड़ा हुआ है और दूसरा जो है शीप के गले में बांधा हुआ है, तो शीप तो तुम्हारे पीछे भागेगी ही. Then what happened next? Austin laughed and said, "It will follow me if I set it free because I have another invisible rope." He then released the sheep. It went away gambolling in delight. Then Austin began to move on. Then what happened? Then Austin started to laugh and he said कि सर मैं इसको रिलीज़ कर देता हूँ, मतलब मैं इसको फ्री कर देता हूँ और फिर भी ये एक इनविजिबल रोप के साथ मेरे साथ बंधी हुई है. उसने उस शीप की रस्सी को खोल दिया, पर फिर भी उसने देखा कि वो जो शीप है उसके पीछे ही भाग रही थी. Immediately the sheep came to Austin's heel and followed close behind. Austin smiled and gave some food to the sheep. The man smiled back to Austin and said, "You are right, my boy, but as you see, the name of your invisible rope is kindness." So students, you must have read that sheep came near Austin's feet and Austin gave some food to eat. जो sheep थी बिना रोक के भी ऑस्टिन के पीछे भागती हुई आई और आकर उसके पास खड़ी हो गई और ऑस्टिन ने उसे कुछ खाना दिया। ये सब देखकर उस मैन ने बोला, जो इनविजिबल रस्सी तुम्हारे पास है वो है तुम्हारी इस शीप के लिए काइंडनेस। So students, have you understood that we should be kind to animals and never try to harm them? Here I am giving you some homework. That is, the homework is you have to feed the animals you find around your house. Arrange some water pot for the birds and never tease the animals. Thank you. Have a nice time.